Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to desolder your board. So all you're really going to need is a soldering iron and a desoldering pump. Mine is just off Amazon. I got it in a kit, so it definitely doesn't need to be anything fancy. So let me just try zoom in on this. So you're going to take your soldered board and then I'm gonna desolder this bit. So I'm gonna take your soldering pump and push down the top bit until it clicks in, and then you're gonna wait for your iron to heat up and put it over the solder to melt it again. And you're just going to take your pump and put it over the melted solder and release it. You may need to do it a few times until it's fully off. Okay, so there is a fully full focus desoldered switch.